Hola estudiantes, hoy vamos a hablar de la puntuación en español. ¿Ok? Las palabras importantes son, y repite por favor, la puntuación, la entonación. Intonation, another cognate, is the rise and fall of the pitch of our voice when we speak. Aquí tenemos dos signos de exclamación, exclamation mark. En español hay dos, an inverted exclamation mark and the same one we have in English. Dos signos de interrogación, two types of question marks, inverted at the beginning of a sentence and our regular question mark that we have in English. Punto, el punto. Repite, por favor, el punto. Punto. Capital letter or uppercase. En español, mayúscula. Repite, mayúscula. Muy bien. Y lowercase, repite, por favor, minúscula. Ok, muy bien. Vamos a explorar más el tema. Let's explore more the subject. What could a benefit be to an inverted exclamation mark and an inverted question mark in Spanish? What an inverted exclamation mark and an inverted question mark helps us do as readers is know the intonation of our voice from the very beginning. Imagine if you had a run-on sentence that went on to the next page of a book, and it wasn't until that next page, la 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 la, turn, la 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 la, that you even realized it was a question all along. In Spanish, you have a question mark, signo de interrogación, to begin this sentence. You know right away to adjust your entonación. Let's look at an example.
The seems like a statement kind of way to start a sentence. The boy went to the grocery store? It's a question. If we had an inverted question mark at the beginning, I would know from the beginning to use a tonation that suggests a question. El niño fue al supermercado. And by adding this here, I'm confident of how I'm going to read this sentence aloud.
Why else is correct punctuation important? Let me share a story with you. We recently had a judge visit our school, and students asked him, "What advice do you have for us if we want to be successful?" And his response, without missing a beat, was, "Learn to write well." He said, in any language, but learn to write well. And part of writing well is using punctuation correctly. This could be in a job resume, in a letter to a teacher, in college applications. The correct usage of punctuation truly does matter. This includes using mayúsculas y minúsculas correctly. So let's look at three examples of how mayúsculas y minúsculas son diferentes en español e inglés. Three common differences of capitalization versus lowercase. One would be nationalities. Let's look. México, mayúscula. México, mayúscula. Mexico in English, también mayúscula. However, nationality or adjective, Mexican, en español, mexicano, minúscula. Or la comida mexicana, Mexican food, adjective here, modifying food, minúscula. En inglés, nationalities are still capitalized. Dos, los meses, the months of the year. En español, minúscula, minúscula. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre, minúsculas. Bien, Los días en español minúsculas. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Minúsculas en español. But just like in English, we siempre, always start a sentence with a mayúscula. Juan come a las 9. Juan eats at 9. Mayúscula. Para empezar una frase. ¿Ok? Siempre para empezar, to begin, una frase. Mayúscula. Also, all proper nouns. People's names, names of places. Barcelona, mayúscula. A name of a restaurant, mayúscula. Proper nouns. As we're all living in a text messaging generation, a lot of punctuation has gone by the wayside.
Sup, bruh. You're late.
This is why it's even more important to embrace it, to make sure we're learning it, and to make sure we're incorporating it into our academic writing. Sí se puede! La puntuación es divertida. ¿La puntuación es divertida? Sí, la puntuación es divertida. Bien, gracias estudiantes y hasta luego.